Hi, my beautiful community of penny stocks lovers. Welcome back in today's interesting video. Best AI penny stock under $1? Yes, it's right. In the next some minutes, you'll know how some small stocks have the potential to boom big time. If you like penny stocks, then like this video, and if you've already invested in penny stocks, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Codes, because it's the home of penny stocks. Join this growing community. Hundreds of smart investors have already joined, so don't be late. Stay ahead of the curve, discover hidden gems early, and never miss an opportunity that could change your portfolio forever. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing, and consult with a licensed professional. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Investing in penny stocks involves risk, and you should only invest money you can afford to lose. Let's talk numbers. This AI-focused penny stock is currently trading at just 61 cents. In the last 30 days, it's gained a solid 57%, and over the past 6 months, it's up by 35%. For a stock under $1, these are impressive moves that have started catching serious attention from early investors. But what's behind this momentum? The answer lies in the company's position within one of the fastest evolving sectors of our time: artificial intelligence. The AI industry is not just growing, it's revolutionizing how businesses operate. What makes this space even more exciting is the emergence of proprietary platforms that combine advanced machine learning and deep learning capabilities. These next-gen AI systems are designed to think, learn, and adapt like never before, giving companies a powerful edge as industries across the board demand smarter, faster, and more autonomous solutions. And that's exactly what this company is doing. It's not just building an AI platform. It's developing its own data center management software that uses real-time telemetry to optimize performance, reduce power costs, and automate maintenance. While most competitors chase big tech clients, this company is focusing on regional and private centers, a massively underserved market. On top of that, it's making waves in healthcare with an AI tool for diabetic eye screening, helping primary care clinics bill without needing eye specialists. It even secured an FDA pre-submission meeting and is eyeing a healthcare AI acquisition. The name behind all this innovation? Avant Technologies, trading under the ticker symbol AVAI. With a current price of just 61 cents and a focus on real, scalable AI solutions, Avant is quickly becoming a name to watch in the penny stock world. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow investor, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Codes. Your home for discovering the next big opportunities in penny stocks. See you in the next one.